Welcome to the Tarot Table, Guidance and Etiquette. I'm so glad you're here. This is a place where spiritual insight meets timeless advice, and together we'll explore both the mystical and the practical aspects of life. Here you'll find a unique blend of weekly tarot readings to help guide you through your spiritual journey and practical etiquette tips for handling everything from family drama to workplace challenges with grace and wisdom. Each week, I'll dive into weekly tarot readings by Zodiac Sign to give you personalized insights into your week ahead. Daily general tarot readings where I'll explore energies around love, career, life's bigger questions, and practical etiquette scenario breakdowns. Fun. Where we'll tackle real life challenges with social grace, whether it's handling a tricky family conflict or navigating professional dilemmas. I'll be answering your questions, whether it's about tarot or advice on how to handle life's sticky situations. Whether it's about tarot or advice on how to handle life's sticky situations. So make sure to drop your question in the comments. Who knows? You might hear your question answered in the future video by me. Coming up next, we'll be diving into the first round of Zodiac readings for the week, and I'll also be sharing a special scenario breakdown where we'll talk about managing tension between family members, you know, those pesky family members at big gatherings, just in time for the holidays. So whether you're here for spiritual guidance or practical advice, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you'll never miss a reading or an etiquette tip. I'm excited to have you with me on this journey of self-discovery and growth. Be patient as you learn my style. Thank you for joining me here at the Tarot Table, Guidance and Etiquette. Until next time, trust your intuition, live with grace, and I'll see you soon.